friends, it's Miss Jane. Do you know what wind is? You're right, wind is air that's moving. Can you see wind? I don't think you can see wind, but you can see what wind does to other things. If it's a really strong wind, you can see the trees bending or your hat flying off your head. Or if it's a nice gentle breeze of a wind, you can hear the rustling of the grass or the flowers. Well, today I'd like to read to you Like a Windy Day by Frank Ash and Devin Ash. They're a father and son team. Like a Windy Day by Frank Ash and Devin Ash. I want to play like a windy day. I want to zoom down hillsides and race through streets. I want to scatter seeds, turn windmills, fly kites, wave flags, and snap wet sheets. I want to play like a windy day. I want to lift birds and butterflies in the sky. I want to steal hats, drive clouds and rain, sail boats, and make umbrellas fly. I want to play like a windy day. I want to shake the dew from a spider's web and help her baby soar. I want to blow through green grasses and crash big blue waves on the shore. I want to play like a windy day and fly with the leaves from the trees. I want to play like a windy day until I become like a gentle breeze. I thought after reading our story, it would be fun to make a windsock that you can hang in your window and see it dance when the wind blows. Some of the things that you will need are paper, markers or stickers, some streamers and yarn, tape, hole punch if you have it, but you don't really need it, and a pair of scissors. If you don't have all of these items, you can think about other items that are nice and light that you could maybe hang from your windsock. As you can see, I started decorating my pieces of paper already. I'm gonna do some flowers, but you can draw anything you like. You can draw dinosaurs, or race cars, or elephants, or Batman. That would be cool. After you decorate, what you want to do is flip your pieces of paper over so that you can't see your pictures. And overlap them a little bit, like so, and tape them down. One more at the bottom. And then I like to flip it over and give this side a little piece of tape as well to make sure that it stays shut on both sides. Then flip it over one more time. This is the tricky part with the tape. On the other side, it's a little bit showing. Like that. And then roll your paper and tape it. Pretty neat, right? Let's add some more tape so we make sure it stays sealed up and tight. A little bit on this side. And then you can lay it down flat. I already cut my pieces of the streamers. What you do is you tape them on the inside if you like. Take one here. And maybe a pink one here. And maybe the white one here. And one more pink one. I tape mine on the inside, like that. And then if you have it, you can use a hole punch and poke a hole, one on this side and one on this side. But you don't need to, you can just tape it on the inside, which I actually think is a little easier. And with the yarn that I already cut, or if you have string, or maybe even thin ribbon, something like that, tie a knot. And thread it on the other side. And tie a knot. You know what? I'm actually gonna tape it on the inside too, just in case my knot isn't big enough. All the way through, and tape, and we made our windsock.